Hello, this is Rika, an electric workshop learning guide. Today's lesson will look at overcurrent relay, 5 relays, and simple application through PLC. There is a PLC input-output part on the right side of the screen and a time chart for PLC operation below. Look at PLC I/O. The input has a relay X5 contact. Relay X5 contact is input when overcurrent relay EOCR trip. And below, there are 2 selector switches B and A, and below them are push buttons PB4 and PB5. The output has lamp L4, relays X1, X2, X3, X4, below which is lamp L8. Now, learn about the time chart configuration below. First of all, if there is X5 relay contact input, L4 lamp turns on and off at 0.5 second intervals in 1 second cycle. And the SSB below is the B contact of the selector switch SS, and when the user returns it, SSB input stops and SSA input starts. When the selector switch SS is in B contact, power is supplied to relay X1. When the user turns the selector switch SS, the SSB contact drops and the SSA contact is activated. At this time, when the user presses push button PB5, relay X2 is powered on for 2 seconds and then X3 is powered on for 5 seconds. After that, the power is cut off after 5 seconds of X3 relay, and power is supplied to X4 relay. When relay X4 power is supplied, L8 lamp turns on and off for 10 seconds every 1 second after 2 seconds. When the user presses the push button PB4, all of the above operations are stopped. Now, let's look at each PLC wiring configuration part and PLC ladder part. We will also check the behavior of the given ladder results emulator and look at the results in our simulation.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Input on. SS. Press the button. PB5. Release the button. PB5. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. PB4. Press the button. PB5. Release the button. PB5. Input off, SS. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Input off, wiring breaker. Input on, wiring breaker. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Input on, SS. Press the button, key B5. Release the button, key B5. Press the button, PB4. Release the button, PB4. Press the button, key B5. Release the button, key B5. Input off, SS. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Input off, wiring breaker.
Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.